Today we're talking about the Maxi-Cozi Tayla Max Travel System Urban Wonder. That's what they call it. It's got almost 5-star rating. It has an infant car seat and as well as a toddler stroller attachment all in one. And this is built great. Showing you here how the wheels go on. You have to pull this to the side while pulling this trigger and put your foot right here till it pops in place. Today we're talking about the Maxi-Cozi Tayla Max Travel System Urban Wonder. That's what they call it. It's got almost 5-star rating. It has an infant car seat and as well as a toddler stroller attachment all in one. And this is built great. Showing you here how the wheels go on. You have to pull this to the side while pulling this trigger and put your foot right here till it pops in place. Okay, the red, no brakes. Press the red and both back wheels stop turning. Press the white and they start turning again. The front wheels can either swivel or not, it's up to you. If you don't want them to swivel, turn them to the back and push this thumb down. There it goes. It just takes a little strength on it, but it works. Well, this is a few days later. I figured out how to get this done. See that blue dot right there? It has to line up with that blue dot right there. And then it's locked in place. Then this is for the baby carriage, the car seat, and that snaps right in there like that. And this is the red side, and all the red dots have to line up. This can come out of the way. This can come out of the way. Just like that. Then to release it, there is a switch down here that you have to squeeze. To get it off. One other thing that we noticed when we were playing with this thing is you want to change this. One other thing we noticed is if you want to change the height of this to go up higher or lower, it's done in the back. And you have to release this strap to get this to loosen up to go up higher or tighten. Now how you do that is there's a storage area right here and you pull this out. This is the extra that you have. And there's a button in there that you can push down and then pull the cord out. And I couldn't find that in the instructions anywhere, but that's how to do it. All right, so to get this installed in a 1993 Cadillac, you need to do two things. See this right here? That needs to be green, and you make that green by pressing this button right here and adjusting this up or down. It has its own attachments for modern cars, but we're dealing with a relic of a car, so we're going to use the seat belt it came with. And then you just lift this, you go through here, you connect it in, pull it tight, and then clamp it down. What I forgot to do was extend a little leg that helps keep it. Now, you see it's not giving me green, so it's telling me that it's not tight enough. So you're gonna pull this tight. I'm making these green so that it's down flat enough, and then I'm pinching it in and it stays green. Almost. And it stays green. Now, let's go get the baby.
Oh no, it's too tight again.
Oh, okay, so it's too tight. You let go, hold this, and give yourself some slack. The slack you want, just push that button right there.
Perfect. That's probably too tight.
Well, no, you tighten it up after you get baby in. And tighten these up by pulling on this. Oh, push the button. Shoulders.
You tape that. There you go.
Those hooks go in this rod, and it put your baby in the car is this easy. That's it.
Happy baby.
To get your baby out of the car, back here, the same way of getting it out of the stroller. Pull it, lift, and now you're off. Anyway, so baby grew up. It's time to go to stroller mode. And to get this in here, all you have to do is push this button right here and pull that up. Pull this button right here and pull. Now, one thing I did learn hard way was if you push the back of this and the button, if nothing happened, this has to push out and it'll lock, and then there you go. And then your stroller fits right in. Bigger baby, bigger stroller. And this is cool, like the other one, it adjusts different levels. This is sitting straight up. You pull this lever right here, and you go down one, you go down flat. Baby's tired. Close it up, and so this is really convenient. And you push the button, you push it till it clicks, both sides, and it just lifts right out. Very easy. When you're going back in, make sure they click in. Very nice, okay? So, I don't know. you want the baby facing towards you, you just flip it around. It's sitting up towards you, or laying down towards you. And then say you're out of the park and it starts to rain. Maxi-Cozi included this cool little bag. Put it around here like that. Put it around there like that. And there's air holes right here, so you're not gonna suffocate little baby. And there you go. That's a nice one. Back up and get the whole thing, please. So that's the Maxi-Cozi Travel System, the Max Travel System. I have to admit, I'm very, very impressed with this. The build is amazing. Everything is high quality. We had a couple of issues with items missing out of the box, and customer service just was right on it and got us what we needed. I really like this. And if you got a baby, a grandbaby, or even a cousin, this would be just a great gift. It would last for many, many years, I'm sure. I recommend it strongly. Thank you for watching. Ta-da! All right.